Hello children, welcome back to your literature class of Standard 3. Today we will continue with the same chapter that we started in the last class, chapter number 8. And the name of the chapter is How Many Crows? Before we continue, let us have a recap of the paragraphs that we did in the last video.
Emperor Akbar used to meet his special courtiers and the highest nobles in his hall called the Diwani Khas at the fort in Agra to discuss important matters about his empire. Besides discussing on important matters, Akbar liked to discuss other things as well, such as where the best melons came from or why all seawater is salty. Emperor Akbar asked such questions because he enjoyed learning new things. But his courtiers found very difficult to answer such questions of Akbar. There was one clever minister in Akbar's court called Birbal who always had an answer no matter how strange or difficult the question was. One morning, in the same manner, Emperor Akbar asked a question from his courtiers. He wanted to know the number of crows in Agra. Listening to the question, the courtiers looked at each other in fear because they did not know what to do. This time also they found Emperor Akbar's question very strange and difficult to answer. They had an idea of other animals and birds like elephants, horses, and peacocks, but about the number of crows they had no idea.
Courtiers tried to hide behind their friends. A few courtiers began to look up at the sky, wondering if they could make a quick count of all the crows they could see and guess the total. Only Birbal remained calm and smiling. Jahan Panah, he said after a few minutes. There are exactly 10,666 crows in all of Agra. Oh, said Emperor Akbar smiling, you shall not bluff your way out of this one, Birbal, my friend. We shall have a proper count to see if you are right. What if there are less than 10,666 crows? Then they have gone to visit their friends and relatives in Delhi. Huzur, Birbal replied. If there are more, it is possible that their friends and relatives from Delhi and elsewhere may have come to pay them a visit. But I am absolutely sure that there are exactly 10,666 crows in Agra. Birbal, there is no one as clever as you, Emperor Akbar said as he burst out laughing. Now let us talk about more important matters. Now children, I'll explain these paragraphs.
As the courtiers did not have the answer to Emperor's question, they tried to hide behind their friends. Some of them they tried to hide behind their friends. A few courtiers began to look up at the sky. They were curious if they could make a quick count of all the crows they could see and guess the total number of crows in all of Agra. So these were the reactions of other courtiers. Only Birbal remained calm. He remained quiet. He was not excited or afraid of Akbar's question, and he was smiling. After a few minutes, he said, Jahapana, there are exactly 10,666 crores in all of Agra. Listening to his reply, Emperor Akbar smiled and told Birbal that he shall not bluff his way out of this one. Bluff his way means in order to succeed in dealing with a difficult situation, he should not make other people believe something which was not true. Emperor Akbar told that in order to find out that whether his counting was right, they all will have a proper count of the number of crows. He asked Birbal, what if there were less than 10,666 crows? To this question of Akbar, Birbal replied that if there were less than 10,666 crores, then they have gone to visit their friends and relatives in Delhi, Huzur. And if there were more than 10,666 crores, it was possible that their friends and relatives from Delhi or elsewhere might have come to pay them a visit. But I am absolutely sure that there are exactly 10,666 crores in Agra. Listening to Birbal's reply, Emperor Akbar burst out laughing. He started laughing uncontrollably and said that Birbal, there is no one as clever as you. So, children, this is how Birbal used to answer all the strange and difficult questions. He was never afraid of any type of question. He always remained calm, and it was all because of his presence of mind and his cleverness. So, today we will stop here. This chapter is over. Read the chapter nicely two, three times with correct pronunciation of the words. Okay, children, stay safe, take care, bye.